What's up, everyone? I'm Reggie, and this is Rocket and Zuli Mallow, and we are here to announce. Well, first we need to do the raffle for Marshmallow, and they will win a custom diamond painting around the size of 60 by 80. So it'll depend on the picture that you guys give, and basically it'll be that big. Okay, and these are the names who have purchased, who has orders that have at least one diamond painting. Now, there's a lot of names here, and for the purposes of time, we're not gonna read every one of them, but this is that many orders with at least one diamond painting, and we're gonna put it in this empty diamond shop raffle bin. Okay, here, I'll give some to you. We're not gonna roll this anymore. Do some here to you. Okay, all we're doing is we're gonna put it in the bin. Okay, look at this. Okay, go like this, spread it out. Okay, there. There, Rocket. Whoa, whoa. All right. We're gonna cover this up a little bit. Shake it all around. Shake it all around. Boom, 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 boom. Shake it all around. Boom, 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 boom. Shake it all around. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, a little bit more. Just shake. Whoa, do you see that? A lot of names shaking around.
Yeah.
Look at that. Shaking all around. Okay, now we're gonna do. Alright, Zuli Mallow, let's sit down and pick a name. Okay, Rocket, do you want to pick a name? Okay, sit up here. Okay, Kuya Rocket, sit down here, Zuli. Kuya Rocket will pick the name. Okay, pick one name. And the winner is Mary Lynn Dominguez. Yay! Congratulations! You win a custom diamond painting.